Alright, so what we're going to do is scan the drawing that I did into my printer program. So I got the printer program up, put the drawing on the scanner, and all of these settings are good. Well, let's do 300 DPI on that, and just scan. Alright, there's my drawing. So I am going to save this as a PDF and just save it like that. So now I'll bring it up in Photoshop. Alright, so now we're in Photoshop and we're going to bring the drawing up into Photoshop. We're just going to open, and I believe this is my drawing here. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to crop this and edit out some of this stuff that I'm not going to use, like all of this background right here. So to crop, I am just going to drag this around my image. Simple as that. Now another thing I want to do is I want to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. Alright. And now I need to bring the image to the standard, because I need to import this into Illustrator and turn it into a digital drawing. So to bring it to standard, I'm going to adjust the image, the quality of the image. So always make sure you're on the right layer when you're trying to do something. So the first thing I'm going to adjust is the levels. So I'm going to bring the white up, bring the darkness up a little bit, bring the white up a little bit. It's all according to how you see it and how you want it to be. Hit OK. Then I am going to save this. Alright, so now I'm going to bring it up in Illustrator. Alright, now we're in Illustrator, and what we're going to do is create a new file for this drawing, and I'm going to choose 7x5. Oh, put it in landscape. Alright. Zoom out of that a little bit. And let's bring the drawing up. So we got to go to File. And from File, go to Place. Then find your drawing. Click on it. And then just drop it into the Illustrator. Right now, it is a little bigger than I need it to be. So I'm going to reduce this size a little bit. Alright, let's choose black and white or sketched art. Let's go with sketched art. Alright, now hit advance. Ignore white. Make sure that is checked. So when you expand it, it'll be ignored. Let's increase the threshold a little bit. Alright. Now expand it. So now, as you can see, the white background is gone. That's what we need. Highlight this so I can delete it. I don't want that in my image. Alright, now we have an image that we can work with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the colors of this image. And to do that, I can use my paint bucket. So let me decide what colors I want to start with. Alright, so by doing that I can change the color of everything that I want to change. So I'm going to change the color of the cross. Back to my paint bucket. And I want to try for like a gold. Make those gold also. Oh, do gold, gold. Actually, make that gold too. It's more of an orange. But this is the start of it. Start of the concept. Rather than having to draw out my words, I can add my font. So let's say gods. I can change the type of font. I like the Franklin Gothic. Make that a little bigger. Copy that and just use the same one. Reduce the size of that one. Alright, that is the start of it right there.